Hi, it's Jen. I just wanted to take a second and update you guys with what I've been working on this weekend. If you've been with Fortunate for a while, you might recall that we put together NICU kits shortly after the boys were home as a way to reach out to other families that were going through a similar journey that we experienced in the NICU. And we just put together a few things just to kind of make the NICU stay a little bit more homey and a more personal. If you don't mind, I'm going to show you a couple of things that we put together in the kit. I'm making one for our triplet family right now. So, my favorite thing in the kit probably is On the Night You Were Born by Nancy Tillman. It's a super book. Beautiful, beautiful illustrations, beautiful words. Just go out and buy it for the next baby shower you have. It's gorgeous. The next thing we have is like a NICU journal, so that you can leave this with the nurse's station, and they can jot down some things that may have happened while you were gone. It's a good way for you to kind of keep things straight as they're giving you a lot of medical terminology you might want to keep track of. We have our schedules for the multiples moms. It has a feeding schedule and when you changed them, all that good stuff that you don't have the brain power for any longer. Some lotion, because you're washing your hands constantly in the NICU, and it leaves your hands nice and dry and chapped. We've got disposable cameras to put in close to each of the kids' isolates, so that the nurses can take pictures while you're away and you don't feel like you're missing out on as much. Got preemie sized blankets. Just again, another handmade touch. It's kind of nice for that. Chapstick, gum, snacks. It's just been fun to put it together, and we really hope that it can be a blessing to somebody else.